Good morning, everybody. How are we doing today? Let's get started with our calendar today. We need to start with our good morning song, so I need everybody for 2 hands and 2 fingers. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Now, Miss Sarah was not able to do calendar yesterday, so she's going to fill that one in for us. Yesterday was Wednesday. And it was the number 20. A 2 and a 0 together makes the number 20 or 20. So put that in there, and our pattern block color is green today. So if yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. Very good. I heard one of my friends say Thursday. Does anybody remember what number comes next? What number comes after 20? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's right, you guys. 21. So I put a 2 first and the number 21. Now, what color comes next in my pattern? My pattern is yellow, green, pink. Yellow, green, pink. Yellow, green, pink. So if I had green yesterday, what color comes next? It goes p, 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 p. That's right, pink. So Miss Sarah's going to color her block pink. Alrighty. Let's say the date now together. Today is Thursday, May 21, 2020. Today is Thursday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Wednesday, tomorrow will be Friday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Very good, you guys. Okay, now let's look at our lesson plans for today. Okie dokes. So today is Thursday. For reading and writing, the activity is it's the same one we had Tuesday. Finding objects in the house that begin with these sounds. K, and d. Okay, so we have k, cup, door, hand, anything around the house that your child can find. Our other activity for reading and writing today is having your child write their first and last name. It is very important that your child can write their first and last name. If they're really struggling with their last name, have them write their first name. Today for math, practice counting 30 objects. So today we're increasing that number again. If your child's having trouble counting up that high, practice counting to the number that they are having the most success with. What can they count to the best? And then after they've done that, go 5 more. So if they're counting to 15 perfectly, that's great. Now have them practice counting to 20. You can always adjust the number just a little bit, but we still want to give them that challenge. We still want to practice counting higher, even if they're struggling with it. Today for Science and Social Studies, we have a video about what is a neighbor. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think about that. For recess today, we do have a video. And for social emotional today, we are going to practice sharing again. It could be anything in your house. Do they need to share a blanket? Do they need to share time when they need to take a shower or a bath? Do they need to share their food, snacks, anything like that? Talk about sharing. Talk about why it's important. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me or Ms. Lily will be available for phone calls and active emailing from 9 a.m. till 11. After that, we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience, and I hope you all have a beautiful Thursday. Bye!